We're racing through the list. We're doing great. The next product is a super cool product called PTZOptics WirelessCable. Now, the wireless cable is a solution that will let you get your video wirelessly from point A to point B. Now, this is really great. Let's say you're shooting a school and you're out on the football field and you've got a camera on one side, but the mixer is up in the field house on the roof of the bleachers. Well, running that cable all through the stadium with all the people and stuff, that could be problematic at best. Well, what this gives you is a prepared kit of a transmitter and a receiver, and it's called wireless cable because it really acts like a cable. So it's replacing your Ethernet cable. So you get not only the video signal going across it, but any control signals or NDI you would have going the other way work also. So you can hook this up to get to a remote PTZ camera, a remote camera that's on a cameraman, whatever you need. It's groundbreaking technology, and at $11.55, it is substantially less expensive than a lot of other transmission-based system solutions that are out there. So we really love it. We think it's a great product. Our customers are giving it good thumbs up. It's really easy to set up and use. They're dedicated to each other. You can add additional receivers or transmitters to do pairs or clusters, whatever you need. We did a show with Paul from PTZOptics where we went into this a little bit more, and you can watch that show. But congratulations to PTZOptics on their wireless cable, a Videoguys best product of 2019. Way to go, guys.